Hi everybody, this is ATEEQ. I welcome all of you to our YouTube channel Engineering Drive. My dear students, in my today's session, let me discuss with all of you how to draw a bar chart. So let me write the question here in comments, okay, by using the hashtag, by using the hash symbol. And the next thing, in order to draw this bar chart, as usual, we need to import the library here, which we have used already in our previous programs. So in my last session already I have discussed with all of you how to generate a scatter plot. So the same library we need to import here. Import Matplotlib dot py plot as plt. So this is the alias I am going to use as usual. And the next thing, we need to import the numpy library, numpy as np. Okay, the next thing is we need to give the values for x as well as y axis. So x is equal to np dot array. So here let me give these values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and next let me give the values for y axis. Y is equal to np dot array. So the main purpose of using array is here to give the numerical values, so which we need to remember. And the next thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it right? And once the x and y axis values are set up, the next thing we need to do is simply we need to draw the bar chart. So see here, use this alias plt, which is an alternate name which we have referred for pyplot sublibrary, dot, and we need to use the function bar. So bar is the function which is used to draw a bar chart. So x comma y. Okay, and then plt dot show as usual to display the output. So let me run this program, and here it is. The bar chart has been generated successfully. Okay, the first part of this bar chart refers to 1, 1 value. This one refers to 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. So as usual we have given 5 values, that's why the bar chart has been generated in this fashion. Let me just change these values here. Instead of 2, let me write here 4. Okay, and instead of 1, the first number, let me write here 2. Now let me run this program, and you can see the bar chart has been changed successfully. So depending on the values, we will get the GUI based output. Is it right? So this bar chart can also be used for various types of analyzation purpose. So if you want to analyze the data, if you want to make some decision, then you can plot the bar chart. So, is it right? So any type of questions, simply you can put it in the comment section. So in my next session, I will be discussing with all of you how we can generate and draw a pie chart. So with this, let me close my today's session. See you soon everybody. Take care. Allah Hafiz.